In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on CapCut without losing quality so your edits stay clean, sharp, and professional. This is a super useful trick whether you're making shorts, tutorials, reels, or talking head videos because it lets you highlight the subject without making your footage look blurry or stretched. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline. The very first thing you need to do is select the clip you want to zoom in on. Just tap it or click it once so it becomes highlighted. This tells CapCut that any changes you make are going to apply to that specific clip. Now move your playhead to the exact point where you want the zoom effect to begin. This is important because the zoom should happen smoothly, not all at once. Once you're at the start point, tap the keyframe icon. It looks like a small diamond with a plus symbol, and this sets your first keyframe. That keyframe locks in the original size and position of your clip at that moment. Next, move the playhead further along the timeline to where you want the zoom to finish. This second point determines how long the zoom animation will take. The longer the distance between the 2 points, the smoother and slower the zoom will feel. Now go over to the editing panel and use the scale and position controls. On PC, you'll usually see sliders or adjustment options that let you zoom in and move the video where you want it on the screen. Increase the scale to zoom in closer and then adjust the position so your subject stays centered and framed properly. As soon as you change the scale and position, CapCut will automatically create a second keyframe for you. That means the app will animate from your original frame to the zoomed-in frame without you needing to do anything extra. If you want the motion to look natural, keep the zoom subtle. A small increase in scale often looks much better than going too far and cropping out important parts of the video. You want the viewer to focus on the subject, not notice the editing. After that, play the clip back and check the transition. If the zoom feels too fast, move the second keyframe farther down the timeline. If it feels too slow, bring it closer to the first keyframe. This is one of the easiest ways to make your edits look smoother and more professional without losing quality. One quick tip, if your original video was recorded in high resolution, like 1080p or 4K, you'll get much better results when zooming in. That's because CapCut has more detail to work with, so the final result stays sharper even after the zoom. Also, try not to overzoom unless it's part of your style. The goal is to enhance the video, not damage the clarity. Once you're happy with the look, save your project and export it as usual. And that's how you zoom in on CapCut without losing quality using keyframes and scale adjustments. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and comment below if you want more editing tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.